Okay, we start to make a video. So if you don't have this one yet, if you have never make the video， 如果你还没那个做过这个 video 的话，你可以再换 ，OK。If you have never make the video yet, then so you can find this type of thing in the search from the Google, okay? So I tell you how to make the. So you find this one, an animation from the audio. Then you click it, and then you find the free one, free, okay? And then you start from here, free. Make a video. Okay, because I already have, otherwise you need to you need to register, okay? 你需要这个登录了啦，登录在这个账号时候，你就可以看这个。那这个你可以换的。You can change, okay? You can change the background, okay? You can change the background. You can change the background, which background you like it. This one you like it, you can change the background. Okay, you can change the background. Okay, you can change the background. So if you like this background, you can put this. Okay, so I want use this background. So the character you can change it, which character you want to use. So I love that background. You can, if you man, you can use the man. So because I'm woman, can change it. Okay. So I can change it any you like. Okay, you can change it different character. So I will use this one. I will use this one, okay. And then background I will change to make it better. So I will use that one. It's not sweet, okay. Okay. So because now we in the classroom, you can, if you find the classroom, that will be better. Okay. Okay, depend where you are talking, you can change it accordingly. Okay. So then I will record my voice now. Okay. So you need to ready your text and then be change and then record your voice. Okay, I will record my voice now. Continue microphone. Okay. Halo semua, saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Wayan. Saya berasal dari Bali, Indonesia. Saat ini saya tinggal di Taiwan, mengajar di universitas. Senang bisa bertemu di sini dengan Anda dan berharap bisa bertemu dengan banyak teman baru. Terima kasih. Okay. Okay, this one you need to take a little bit time, so wait for a while. Okay, so let's check now.
Halo semua, saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Wayan. Saya berasal dari Bali, Indonesia. Saat ini saya tinggal di Taiwan, mengajar di universitas. Senang bisa bertemu di sini dengan Anda dan berharap bisa bertemu dengan banyak teman baru. Terima kasih.
Okay, this is your video. So you need this video, you need to download it, okay, or you directly send. So here there is share. So if you don't want to share, you just for a while you click this one, and then you find where you want to send it. Okay, maybe if you don't want to share, and then they will give you this one, and then you just download it. Okay, you download it, the file. Okay, already downloaded, just keep it in your okay, and then now you can after you that, and then you can edit it. If you want to have a more better, you can edit it. Okay, you can edit now. Then upload your, okay, you can, this one you can make edit it, and then you can make this one another one first if you want with someone talking. Okay, if you want with someone talking, you can put someone with you first, because you want to talk with them. Okay, you want to talk with someone too small. Okay, if you want to talk with someone, this one can make a smaller. Okay, thing. Okay, because too big. Okay, and then this one you can you can short screen first. Okay, short screen, and then this short screen you can just find their part. Okay, you need to find this part, find this part, and find this part. Okay, and then after that you sort it. Okay, and then you change it, the upload now. Upload the background, right? You change to the background. Upload the background. Okay, find in your brochure, or this one you was. Okay, and then you got it now. Now this you change it, this one now. The character you need to change it. So who is you was talking with? You can, because I cannot speak a man, so I need to find a woman. So woman character. So your woman character. I was find. Okay, you can find someone who want to. That in beginning was very good. A good woman. I cannot find a woman that one. That was very nice. So you can look it. I think this one is okay, but it's not very good. Can another find another one? Oh, this one. Okay. Now you talking with her. So now it's already. Now you are record your voice again. Okay, record your voice again. If you want to sit down, you can put down this, but they are just stand up. Okay, how? And then you record again your voice. Halo, halo semua. Saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Wayan. Saya berasal dari Bali, Indonesia. Saat ini saya tinggal di Taiwan, mengajar di universitas. Senang bisa bertemu di sini dengan Anda. Dan berharap bisa bertemu dengan banyak teman lagi. Terima kasih. Okay, and you have a two already. Okay, and this video you need, and then you download it, and then you can share it in the Facebook or video. But this size is video size. Look, I forgot to check the size. Okay, you need to check the size later. So you need to check the size. Look like the size does not fit this one. Later I will check it. Okay, the size is very important if you want to post in social media. Okay, your video is ready. Okay, your video is ready. So this one your video.
Halo, halo semua. Saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. Nama saya Wayan. Saya berasal dari Bali, Indonesia. Saat ini saya tinggal di Taiwan, mengajar di universitas. Senang bisa bertemu di sini dengan Anda.
Okay.
Dan berharap bisa.
Okay, this is so in order to get so you don't need this one. So now you just download it. Okay, download again. Yes, download. Okay, so now you need to, so this one, the size when you making this one is very important. So you need to back to edit it. So the size when you post, you want to post in YouTube, this one already size is YouTube. Okay, if you want to Facebook, and then you need to find this size. So they have a tree, feed landscape, and then this is feed in the short, and then another is story. Okay, you need to check it. So I recommend you to if you want to mix this one for the what is called and for the report, you can use the YouTube. Okay, or you use for the, if you use the TikTok is okay, Instagram is okay, and then Instagram they have this one, but I recommend you to first use this one. In future you any you log this to post, you can use it like that. Sometimes I push in Facebook like that. Facebook have many different sites, so is Instagram also have many different sites, so mostly put this one, okay, and then you can put this is the size, and then you can finish it. Okay, now because it's already the long video, this is enough for the, okay, finish.